Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a website in Figma in 2024. So today, we're stepping into the realm of web design using Figma, which is a versatile design tool loved by professionals worldwide. So stick around as I guide you through the steps to design a website in Figma in 2024. So let's unleash your creativity and craft a stunning digital experience. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and define your project scope and goals. Before diving into any design, it's essential to define your project scope and goals. Determine the purpose of your website, why you're creating it, and even the targeted audience that you want to target, and the key features and any specific requirements for your websites. Then you'll have to gather inspirations from existing websites, designs, trends, and competitor sites. You can make sure to research user expectations, industry standards, and best practices to inform your design decision. Now, you will have to go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, just go to this URL section, type figma.com and hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen or main screen of Figma. Of course, you will not find yourself in here. As an example, if it's your first time, you'll find yourself on a place like this. If you have an account, you'll be able to find a login option right here, so click on it to log in into your account. But if you don't, click on Get Started for free to create your account, or even here on the middle. As you can see, if you don't know nothing about like Figma, how to design, align, and build matters, do it together with Figma, as you can see. So you can build websites for phone users, for PC, for whatever you want, even for all of them, as you can see. So you'll be able to build something like that. Of course, if you're good, if you're professional at this. And you can scroll down to read more information about this website. Just have a general idea about it. If you know nothing about this website, of course, as you can see. So once you logged in into your account, you'll find yourself on a dashboard like this. Now, once you define your project scope and goals and gather the inspirationals and research all around, you can start by creating a wireframe or low fidelity mockup for you. You can start from scratch by click on design file and choose the create a design file on which theme, like if you have a theme or just drafts, whatever suits you, or start by type in and click on this Fig Jam, which is will use the generated AI for you. As you can see, they give you here an example, a weekly team meeting starting with an icebreaker. And click on generate and they will generate something for you. I'll just type as example a website that I don't know has what should we type? Like a button in the middle of it that takes you to a URL and make sure the background has good nature picture as an example. Let's see. It's my first time like using this. I don't know what it will do for us, but let's see. As you can see, so they give you like the flowcharts of that. Just go in here and zoom in. Yeah. So as you can see, like start, load websites, display button in the middle, button is clicked. If yes, of course, redirect it to URL. If no, continue and load nature picture. Nature picture is loaded. Yes or no, display website with nature picture or continue loading. As you can see, if you don't like what you see in here as an example, you can simply, sorry, I go well like slowly here and click on generate and generate something else, or you can go and edit things manually. Okay, I'm clicking in here. Let's just go and zoom. Go right here. As an example, let's say I don't know, I don't like this, like display button in the middle. Instead of it, we can change it to whatever it is. So for you, just go and design. Of course, this is like the back end of it. You can, as an example, let's just go back. This is for the Fig Jam. If you want to create something, just a design file like this, you can start doing it. Like as an example, you can create your own header. Let's say an example, I want to create a rectangle. So let's say this is going to be the header of our websites as an example. And this is the footer. Okay, do not click on square. And this is the footer as an example. Okay, it's big a bit, but it's fine. Let's make it smaller like this. And of course, just go up. And let's say this is gonna be, so let's just make it, yeah. So let's say this is the header and the footer as an example of our websites. For me, I'm not like good at creating those stuffs. For you, of course, make sure or feel free to do your own things. So I don't know, let's type, you can type in this header the name of your website. For me, I'll just type a test. And of course, this text, I'll just go here and change the color to black. Of course, I can even make it bigger. Okay, I did not select it. So make it, oh, that's so big. Let's make it smaller bits. And yeah, as example, as you can see, if we like zoom out, we'll see how it's looking like. So just make it, let's even move the text instead. Yeah, this is going to be better. And let's just zoom in so it will appear as a website. As I said, for me, I'm not good at this, but I'm just showing you how to do it. Of course, for you, you can go and start designing your layout and structure, add the content to individual elements, apply the styles and typography, and create like an interactive prototype in Figma for to demonstrate user flows, navigation, and functionality. You can use the Figma prototyping feature to link frames, create transitions, and even simulates user interactions for more immersive experience if you want to. So you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff. That's, as an example, you can choose here some frames. You can choose if you want to create or place a video, image, polygon, star, whatever you want. Here, just a pen or pencil, text if you want to, components or plugins if you have some plugins. As an example, you can add the plugins, some widgets if you want to use. Some of them, as you can see in app purchase, some of them are free. And here the hand if you want to just move around. And here, of course, to add a comment to a specific place. This is a feature just if you share it to people and they want to tell you, okay, this place is not good, maybe. If you can change it, let's say example. And of course, when you're gonna enter, so click in here and you'll find the text always in here. So when you hover it, you will see the comments of other people. If you share it to other people to test it and see how it's gonna look like for them. So for me, that's gonna be it for you. Of course, keep designing and yeah. So thank you for watching and goodbye.